What's up, y'all? It's your guy eBay Fight Predictions in the building, and the amount of respect I have for Jamal Hill right now it's insane, y'all. It's kind of crazy. The clown media strikes again. The clown MMA media strikes again. I don't know where these Baku niggas is coming from. I'm sorry for my language, but I do not know where these Negroes are coming from. But this question is so... It might be the accent, so I might give the guy a pass, but it's just disrespectful, very weird, almost like you're kind of like rage baiting him a little bit. I kind of understand the idea of the question, but the wording, I don't understand where they're getting these guys from, man. If these guys can do it, man, put your boy eBay on there, man. Dana White, if you look, man, give me a shot, man. But I think I could ask a way better question to Jamal Hill than that clown could have. But yeah, man. This is disrespectful. So respect to Jamal. He dealt with it very like a king, like a former champ, like a person that's been there before. So y'all can listen to the clip. But yeah, man, very disappointing from the clown media, man. Baku, come on, bro, do better. What are we doing, man? This is ridiculous.
Discuss losers will affect this fight.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Alex and Prohaska losers will affect this fight.
He said that his
Alex and Prohaska losers will it affect this fight?
Will my loss to Alex and Yuri affect this fight? How would it do that?
Siz bəlkə Azərbaycanca deyəsiniz ki, biz
Yəni Alex və Prohaskas məğlubiyyəti, yəni növbəti döyüşə necə təsir eləyəcək?
Alexin bir də təkrar, Alexin Prohaska məğlubiyyəti.
Yox, Hillin Alex və Prohaskas məğlubiyyəti, yəni necə təsir eləyəcək bu döyüşə? Son döyüşünə. Yəni son iki döyüşündə məğlub olub, yəni onu demək istəyirəm.
You lost in last two fights. How it affect to you in coming fight?
Yəni bu döyüşə necə təsir eləyəcək?
Is it any effect?
Every fight is different. It's a new fight, so that's a weird question. That's like kind of like just like a dorky like online fan question. So like I don't really get how that would affect how I'm fighting a completely different fighter. You know what I mean? So I'm focused on what's happening on Saturday and on the task at hand for that.
Yəni ki, o döyüşlərin bu döyüşə heç bir aidiyyəti yoxdur. Çünki